Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple, delicious, and homemade recipe. We're going to marinate the chicken using turmeric and salt. Let's start by heating 4 spoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we'll begin by adding our ingredients. Add finely chopped onions and sauté them well until they turn soft and light golden. This step is very important for building a rich base flavor. Now add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and sauté for a few seconds until the raw smell goes away. Add 1½ teaspoons of chili powder. Spices are essential to enhance the flavor and bring richness to the dish. Next, add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Next, add ½ teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, add 1¼ teaspoons of Arabic masala. If you want the preparation method of Arabic masala, comment below. Next, add 2 teaspoons of salt, or adjust as per your taste. Mix all the spices well. You can adjust the spice level as per your taste. This will give a rich aroma to the dish. Now, add a little water to help the spices mix well. Mix the spices. Now, add the chicken. Coat the chicken well with the spices. Now, add 2 dried lemons. Now, add a packet of tomato paste to enhance the taste. Now, add the blended raw tomato juice. Mix it well. Now it's time to add the vegetables: carrot, beans, capsicum, and potato. You can slice or chop them as you prefer. Mix all the vegetables well with the spices. Now it's time for garnishing. Add chopped coriander leaves. Now, add plenty of water to make it look like a curry. Now let it simmer and boil. Now let's make kubs al chapati, which is prepared by kneading wheat flour, salt, and water into a soft dough, then rolling it into thin discs. Cut the discs into 4 pieces. This is also one of the main ingredients for chicken marqoob. After preparing the dough into pieces, add them to the curry we have made. Put the pieces of chapati discs into the curry. Add them one by one into the curry. Gently mix it. cooking pot. Now close it with the lid of the pot. Now it's time to enjoy our delicious chicken marqoob.